Hey, welcome back. It's been a while, and I did go to Cars and Coffee Dallas, well, sort of, this month, but it was just too cold for some odd reason. It was freezing, and I didn't have the right clothing, because all my clothing is here, and I went to Dallas, so that didn't quite work out, so I'm sorry about that, and I didn't get much footage, so I didn't make a video for that. And none of the footage I got was really all that great, so that too contributed. But today I'm going to help my friend who I think has, is it a Mazda 3? I don't know, but he has sway bars and some other things he wants to install and he needs help doing it. So I'm going to go help him do it, and I'm going to make a video out of it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Who the fuck are you? Introduce yourself.
I'm Mazda. Texas Sports Car Club.
And don't worry, he has like 500 stickers identifying himself on his car.
Especially the windshield banner. So I paid $14 for this on Etsy. Perfectly worth it. Hey, okay. Follow me.
Did you say this has returned your investment to you?
It has. I've gained around like 2.5 followers. I've gained 2.5 followers, so it's a very good investment for me. Yes.
Go for it. Should only be installed by a qualified licensed mechanic experienced in installation and removal of suspension components. I never touched this man's car before, or any car like it.
What do you have to say to that? What do you have to say to that?
For what?
Qualified mechanic. Do you consider yourself to be a qualified mechanic?
Not at all. All I did was install coilovers on my own car.
Is your car still functioning?
So far.
That is qualified in my book.
Don't worry, you get to lube up these bushings.
Oh wow, yeah, show them the lube, man. Show
Oh
them
yeah,
the lube.
it's actually just a pack of semen. That's what it.
Why the screen turn off?
She looked so confused. She looked over and she just like, what? Oh no. Alright, so right now we're just going to remove sway bar end links, and I'm going to actually let him do all the work because it's his car. So this right here,
That's wait, no, this is leave it attached to the lower control arm.
yes, so
For the top part right there.
you're going to need a, no, that's
gonna be
like a 10.
Yeah. The bolt is right there, kind of lost.
So it's really just way up in there, which I don't know why, but I guess it's there.
There. fucking looking at the bolt.
So I took off the other side already. Now we're just working getting it off.
The whole thing's moving out. What the hell?
Yeah, that's the point.
There you go. What?
Alright, what does it say next on the instructions?
To keep that up and take off that bolt.
Time continues.
Now we gotta take off the ends of the lower control arm, so that thing. Risk a few threads breaking off.
That would be a nightmare.
I'll be right back. So far.
Nice. Power. More power, more better. With all the warning lights.
So now we gotta reach all the way into this motherfucker just to take the sway bar bolts out. Like literally up there. But once you get those out, it's out. Got it? Yeah.
Messing with my head again.
How about this part? Go on the other side and grab this part.
Alright, so we got... Did you read the instructions, motherfucker?
Hey, what's that? Grab the bar, Albert. Grab the
This motherfucker didn't read the instructions.
Albert, bar.
Why?
Albert. Why? Albert.
Did you get it?
Almost. Break it out.
We just removing the bar now, yo.
Imagine when I was like tugging on that thing in the drink. Twist it to the left. The other left. There you go. Pull it. There you go. There you go. Up. There you go. There you go, buddy. That's how it's done.
Stock versus not stock. Stock, not stock. Like 18 millimeters, 22. What do you have to say for yourself?
That took way too long.
I agree, this motherfucker.
We used like
All of the fucking battery.
That's too close.
Hello, motherfucker.
It's applying the lube, man. It's just applying the lube.
Maybe right. I don't know what this man's thinking. I'm gonna move away from him. Bye. Massaging. Oh, look at that noise. Oh yeah. There we go. We got one on there. Where's the other? Lube Central USA.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Motherfucker. All right, buddy. So now that we fitted the bushings to it, these are poly bushings for his car. We got to slide the sway bar back in. So tell them how far along the build you are, or along this installation.
Less than halfway. We took out the OEM sway bar, which was a really big fucking pain in the ass. It took us like hour and a half just to take it off.
Yeah. The thing is, this kid did most of the work. Like, all I did was sit around and watch and screech and yell
and make sexual sounds.
Yeah, that. And then also, like, take random sockets and apply it to the other sockets, and then get a longer socket for the other socket pins.
Trying not to follow suit. Don't like the color, I'll change the shade of it. I'm not afraid of it. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it.
So we pretty much finished installing the sway bar. At this point, he's installing this
This is fine.
what it is?
Yeah.
He's installing a mud flap. And so we just need to throw his other wheel on, and then we'll pretty much be good. And then we're gonna like go take a shower and stuff, and then we're gonna go try to find that good prime picture spot tonight. So yeah, we'll see you then.
I know